Kainan. Easy?
Hindi pa natin kayo.
Bakit yan ang sound? Ang ganda ng camera.
Ilang? Si Fatima, ito.
Grabe yung music. By the way, papost ko to sa YouTube. Ban! At saka yung nigger. And I'm just a teenage negro baby.
Si Fatima.
One ever. Not yet one. I need to go.
Close mo yung mata mo.
Wait.
No, I'm not going.
Ikaw, Dads, bakit gusto mo mag-start? Ay, Rich Kid.
It's it.
Wala.
Naglaro na kayo.
Ito yan dyan.
Maglaro na.
Lagay mo. Punta ng hospital. Mag-hospital ka? Sige. Sila ni Papa. Si ito yan. Dito manata. Sabay ta. Hospital. Hospital ka, di ba? Ano rin ka punta ng hospital? Masaro ko.
Mag-ano na kayo.
Laro mo na to.
Laro mo na kayo.
Ito si Fatima. What? Wait lang. Easy? Easy. Sige. Talk to Simon ko. Talk to Simon.
Hello, good 50.
Ano?
May jump scare dito? Ano yung life?
May mga left turn na mag-start over.
Testing niya, wakan mo butit.
Sige, labas na kayo.
Saan ka mo?
Shit.
Simon says follow this path.
Na?
Don't
Don't follow this path.
Saan tayo? Ano dapat pa sumunod?
Magtuloy na kayo.
Ano ba? Dapat hindi ako matamaan dito sa path na ito.
Kaya mag-stop ha. Up, look up. Turn around. Okay.
Ako nakatingin.
Tumatakbo lang sa doon.
Up, mag-away. Di. Look down. Okay.
Painayin mo na yung phone?
Count all the trees. Sige, count all the trees.
Ano?
Count all the trees.
Ikaw nang bahala.
1, 2,
Ha?
1, 2,
Wala.
3,
Wala akong up.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9
Wala.
ata. 9.
Para saan yung telegraph?
9 mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Wala.
9 tayo, no?
8, 10? 10 or 9? Wait.
Hindi nagsabi ng Simon Says turn around.
3, 4, 5.
Paano mo alam na may Simon Says?
7,
Check mo yung
8.
spelling.
9.
Or kung walang Simon Says.
Anong spelling?
Oh, I'm moving. Walang sinabi, Simon says, don't move.
I must have given the wrong number of trees. Okay, count natin ulit. 1, 2,
Sabi niya, don't move. Gumagalaw ako.
8.
Sabi niya, don't move. So, gumagalaw ako.
Jump.
Ang unfair.
Wait lang. Basta walang...
Wait lang, magka-count ako ulit. 1, 2,
Oh, meron!
3,
Bakit kayo full lang life?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Kaya
7.
kung anong pangalan niya.
Okay, wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ilan ang ilan yung
8? 8?
Hmm?
Hindi ba 8?
Try mo daw, 8.
Sige.
Wala.
ako muna.
Oh. Ayun! 8 nga.
I am a genius.
Okay, give me chills. I should explode it.
Di ako makapasok.
Simon says go right. Lagay mo rin 8.
8. Submit kit. Submit. Easy. It's not opening.
Jump. 9.
It must given the...
magkaiba tayo.
Hindi, kasi...
Turn around. Okay. Close your eyes.
Wait lang. 1. Ano to, kinder? 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7.
Tayin ko kayo mag-proceed na ako.
8.
Mo, you traitor. Binilang ko 8.
9.
Magkaiba tayo.
10, 11. Baka 11.
Iba yung...
Wala mo nung technique? Just guess all number.
Mas mahirapan ka. Ako, inintay ko kayo. Nakita ko kayo.
Wait lang bibilang ako ulit.
11.
I can't believe I'm counting for you. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Close your eyes.
5,
Okay,
6,
tapos na.
7,
Open?
8, 9,
Bakit hindi pa rin naka-open?
10. I stopped, you dog. 10.
Okay.
Wait, pasok ka na, pasok.
Wala, exact. Give exact number then.
Crouch.
Nabawasan ako ng life for not running away.
Maybe it's turn.
What about me, Simon? I wanna...
Explore the game!
Alika, go.
Pasok na kayo?
Yes, alika lang mo.
Okay, so right. Simon says go right.
Oh, crouch.
Go to the right.
Run away.
Simon says go left.
Saan? Go left? Dito.
Magkaiba tayo. We're going on different paths.
Ayun, hello.
Look down.
Go to the direction right.
Look down!
Instead of counting, choose based on which appears more or less.
Okay, go to...
Ano yung less? I don't get it. Mo.
Count nyo kung ilan yung andito. Ano pinamarami? Right. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait lang. So, middle, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It has to be 10.
6, 7, 8,
3,
9, 10. 1, 3, 4.
Tell me how
5,
many
6,
trees.
7,
Hold
8.
on.
I am trying to count, Simon.
Someone says go right.
9. Then left.
Hab!
Piling ko right.
Left.
Right. Go. I'm gonna go right. Close eyes. Crouch.
Bahala kayo kahit mamatay ako.
Okay.
Ocha.
Okay, so...
Didn't work. Crouch. Run away!
Oh, middle dapat ako.
Mom says left, safe
Go
equals
to the
safe.
direction
No, you're not.
that
You're
has
not Simon. Binibit up lang ako na.
Left. Left kaya?
Middle.
Yup, left!
Oh, middle ako.
There's a lot of Simons on the floor.
Mom says
Simon
left.
says left
Right.
equals die. Left equals die. So right?
Nasa left ako mo. Oh. Nauna na ako sa inyo.
Stikang yawa ka. Bugok.
Nauna na ako sa inyo. Nauna na ako.
Mom says left,
Simon
safe,
says
right.
left.
Dad say it's not left.
Huh?
Left.
Mo, hindi ko gets. Kung pumunta ako sa left, mamamatay ako.
No, that's not Simon says. Simon.
Oh,
Right.
so right.
I did. Left. Whoops. Whoops. Okay. Oh, hello. Okay, so left there.
Right. Simon says turn around.
Dad says it's not left.
It's not.
Dang it, Simon.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Ano to? Simon says right equals safe. So right.
Oh.
Nakagagulat ka na. Wala yun na ba
I
ako?
like this game. This is officially not
Oh!
my favorite game. Simon says...
Oy, nahanap ni Abdullah. Dad says he's not left.
Ang laki mo. Ewan gumano. Those heads
Si Abdullah, nauna na.
someone says freeze.
Mauna na ako. Ayun, nanap ko na yung exit. Ayun, nakalabas na ako.
Ah! It's like kuan.
Ayun.
Can I
Abdullah,
move?
hi.
Oy, nakiba pa.
Can I move?
Don't stop.
Go
Go ahead.
Ah, I'm moving this. Oh, you died. You
Wait.
died. You died.
Oh,
Move
no.
equals die.
Simon says right safe.
Ang hirap nito.
It's on easy mode.
Ah, gets ko.
Yep.
Do not move ka lang until he says freeze.
Okay. Okay, nasa exit na rin ako. Malayan na rin yung nabutan ko dito.
Someone says move equals die, okay. Freeze.
Kailan ako pwede maggalaw?
Oops, Simon says free.
Dad
Go
says
ahead.
red light.
It says go ahead. No.
Simon says red light.
One life na ako.
Ako rin.
Kita mo to? Kita mo to? Oh wait, tulog pala. Tulog pala siya.
Don't move.
Simon says move.
Mas nakaka-advance na ako sa inyo.
Ang layo.
Red
Hi,
light.
Jimmy Turner. Simon says go.
Oy, palitin mo na.
Oy, nauna ka na.
Don't move. I don't care.
Sino says move?
Sino kang sumabi sa akin na don't move? Ha?
Sige lang guys. Okay lang. Hindi mo sa akin. Simon
Oy,
says...
nauna na
Oh,
kayo.
tingnan niyo oh.
Oy, may mas
Namatay na ako.
Tama, hindi na ako nagtitigil, hindi niya ako pinapatay.
Wow guys. Hindi niyo ako ni-revive.
Hey guys, okay lang.
Goodbye.
Ruby Ann sent you a message. Ay!
Okay,
Halika, Abdullah. Halika.
alis na.
Alis tayo?
Nag-explore ako ng games. Okay, I would rate that a 7.